Guys, welcome back. Today I have something different, and I mean like actually different. You know I love surprise bags, and normally I look for stuff that we can use with our dolls. But look at this. This is vintage, I want to say 80s or 90s, and it's all different art items. And I am thinking maybe there is some stuff in here that we can use for our dolls. Maybe not Barbie. This may have to be more American Girl doll, but I just had to have it. And part of it is I'm hoping I can salvage this basket, unless it's attached to what I think is a mouse. And it's in a Ziploc bag. This was at a garage sale, so it was only $1 or $2. But look at this. Look at the tags on these. This is so amazing. And I'm really hoping there's things that we can do with our dolls. I mean, some of these things look like they're started. Let's just get right into it and open the bag. And tell me in the comments, if you saw this at a garage sale, would you buy this bag? Part of me doesn't want to dump it out, because there's glitter, and I don't want to get glitter on my really nice, other than the seam, faux grass background. So I think I'm just going to pull things out. Oh, it is. Oh, it's attached. So this is oh my gosh. It hangs. It's a mouse wearing a bonnet. I have no words. It's a mouse in a dress on a broom. The broom used to hang, but the mouse does. And it says, okay, it's got a message. It says, I'm a good luck mouse hiding or gliding on my broom. Love and affection I'll bring to this room. Pots boiling over are a thing of the past. With my kind of magic, a good fortune will last. I'll keep burnt food and bad coffee away, for I'm the good mouse and I'm here to stay. So I am assuming this is something that was hung in a kitchen. Just look at the fabric. Do you see the difference? So clearly this stayed out a lot and got a lot of sunlight. I was kind of hoping I'd be able to use the broom. I have no words. I don't know. Let's just move on. Here is the basket that I wanted. Okay, let's get... There's actually two. Oh my gosh. This one is perfect. This one, I'm going to bring in Barbie. She is still in her pilot outfit. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This basket is the perfect. It's perfect for Barbie. Look at the size. It is perfect for Barbie. All right. We've got one useful thing. I don't know what to do with this, but this is perfect. Look at this. It is actually a woven basket. And it's perfect for Barbie. This one, okay. The handle's a little loose. It's a little sideways. I don't know why the handle's... Do you see how off center it is? But I think this could work. Maybe we tie a bow. We could use this for our American Girl dolls. So now, oh my gosh. Okay. I'm in love with the bag. We have a basket for our American Girl dolls, a basket for our Barbies, and one weird kitchen mouse. Let's see what else. These are Easter bunnies on a stick. And this one has a hanging thing. So I guess you could take them off the stick and hang them. Do you see the hanging thing? I think people used to put these in their plants. If you have plants, let me know. Do you put those kind of things in your plants? Like, I don't know. I don't know. What else is here? Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a value pack of super beads. It's 725 pieces and it was $4.99. The year on this price tag is July of 1999. These are some really old beads, and it actually says made in the US. I do not know the last time I saw a craft supply that was made in Canada or made in the US. Wow. I still don't know what to do about the mouse. What else do we have? Look at these. It is it's a flocked bear. This one is made in Taiwan. The original price was 69 cents. Flocked bears. I don't know if I can turn it around so you can see his face without ripping it open. These were really big in the 80s and 90s. There's his little face. Do you see his face under the sticker? These are like calico critters. These little bears were so popular. That would be perfect. You know what this would be? Perfect for a Barbie Chelsea sized craft. We just have to figure out what to do with all of these things. I have 2 of these 6mm beads, 16 of them by West Rim Crafts. And these are 79 cents. There are 2 of these. These are made in China. I don't ever remember seeing these brands. What else? What else? This is it looks like someone started to paint a snowman. I don't know. Maybe we repaint him? I don't know. So far, none of the glitter is coming out of this bag. What else is in here? This is, oh, no. You see that glitter on my hands? The glitter is coming out. This is another snowman. I mean, I guess we could paint them and make ornaments. This is a sealed package of glitter, also by West Rim Crafts. This was $1.99. This is old style glitter. This is not biodegradable, and this glitter is making a mess. Okay, so we have some silver. This one is made in the US. I wonder if this one was. Yes, look at the age of the tag. This one says silver. This one says green 16, and this is silver 03. And again, this would have been, yeah, $1.99. $1.99, and it is glitter. There is some more green glitter on me. Glitter gets everywhere. Okay, we got just a couple more things. We have a third, which is glitter white. Is this even glitter? Once again, made in the US. It does say glitter. Doesn't have a color though. $1.99. This looks more like snow. What do you think? Does that look like snow? I am going to end up with glitter everywhere. I do not like getting glitter everywhere. Look at the bag. Do you see all the glitter in the bag? Oh, it's everywhere. There is 2 more glitters. This one is actually really pretty. It's not leaking. Look at the colors. It's actually, I'm going to shake it. This is actually quite pretty. I really like this. We will find a way to use this, even though we now know we should be using biodegradable glitter. We can find a way to use that. And a small tube. This one looks a little more modern. Oh, it's just a small tube. Oh, the lid of gold glitter. I don't know how this all connects together. There's nothing left in the bag except some broom bits and a lot of glitter. I don't know how all of these connected, and I am really curious about this kitchen mouse. I think I have some Googling to do. There are some good parts to this. I like this glitter, but I'm going to put these right back in the bag to avoid it. Oh, there's already glitter. Do you see the glitter? There is already glitter on my grass background. Oh, so these, like, I don't know what you would do with these. Repaint them, toss them, I don't know. Back in the bag. And Miss Mouse. My favorite is this basket. I'm going to put a little bow. I have, I don't know, maybe put some flowers in it for my American Girl doll. This one I am definitely going to use with Barbie. These two, perfect. This little bear, absolutely going to go with my Barbie basket. 100%. Look at how cute that little bear would be in that basket. Love that. Love that. I don't know. Maybe I break this off and just stick them outside my Barbie house. Maybe I put them in my plant. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we redonate that. And then we got the cool beads. These are actually quite pretty. I'm amazed they only came with 16. And what can we do with these? We could probably make some, I don't know, American Girl lollipops with these. Rock candy maybe. They're not really sparkly. I don't know. We'll come up with something. These alone were a pretty good find. Along with this, so for the couple dollars for this bag, I'm going to declare it a win. And tell me, do you know what this is? Do we have a history of this weird little mouse on a broom that talks about boiling water in your kitchen? I don't know. Someone help me out with this. I love these. Would you buy this if you saw this at a garage sale at the thrift store? And if you did see it, would you immediately think like I did, got to get some stuff for the dolls? I don't know. That is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Here's that mouse again. I don't know. I don't know about this mouse. I'm going to leave that up to you guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.